Welcome back for another video, guys. I'm actually showing you what I made for Sunday dinner. I cooked rice and peas and brown stew fish with vegetable and fried plantain. So this was me seasoning the peas part because the peas was cooked. We put in my scallion in time. I didn't have no pepper and a pimento seed. Yes, so I just used what I had was the scallion and thyme. I seasoned it with my all-purpose salt and black pepper. Of course, yes, so it was time to season the fish. Put a little slice on both sides of the fish, and then I'm gonna be seasoning it with my season. I put all the season in 1 cup. Me use some all-purpose, some fish seasoning, salt, and black pepper, garlic powder. Alright, so I'm gonna put all of that in the cup and then season it inside and outside of the fish before I fry it, guys. So that's what I was doing right here, as you all can see. Alright, guys, yes. After that, I'm gonna fry my plantain first before I fry the fish, because I'm gonna use the same oil, but I fry the plantain first, Yes, so set on the pot for fry the plantain. Yeah, put the oil in the pot. Alright, yes, guys, I don't use a lot of oil when I'm cooking because of cholesterol problem. Alright, yeah. So it was me putting in the plantain, one big ripe plantain. That's what I was frying. It was sliced up. Yeah. So it was time to put in the plantain and to fry them. Alright, guys. So now I put in the rice in the peas, because the peas the season up already and cooked down. Yes, so it was time to put in the rice now. Alright, so I use brown rice. That's what I cook with. Alright, yes, so that done with now. So may I show now when the rice and peas done cook, guys. That's what it was looking like. Of course, tastes good too. Yeah. So now may I take out the plantain them out of the pot, because the plantain them finished fry, and I'm so happy. I love plantain, I love plantain part. So yeah, everyone that this house I love plantain. If I stand up strong, I get none whenever I fry plantain. Yeah, so yeah, plantain finished frying now, so moving on to the fish. Okay, guys, yes, so actually gonna be frying the fish now. I put a piece of thyme in there with some garlic in the pot first before I put in the fish. Okay, guys, make that one and we put it in the pot and put it in the okay. So we're actually going to be cutting up some sweet pepper, tomato, garlic, onion, and some okra. Of course, because I burn through fish may I do, so I go use them in the sauce when I cook them. Alright, yes, so just me putting up the sweet pepper, down there, chef make and cook. And I'm not so good with the knife, I feel like knife. No, I'm not on the knife, but I take time to shoot the video, speed up, make it look like, so yeah, I angle the knife out. I'm not angle the knife out. Now I can make it cut me. Alright, yes, so that's what I was doing, putting up my seasonings and vegetables right here, what I'm going to be using in the brown stew. Okay, guys, yes, and yes, carrot, I forgot to mention carrot too, of course. So I'm showing you what it looked like when I finished. So it was time now to cut up. Give me cook up. Cut up the time now to cut up the okra, guys. Yes, I enjoy cutting up the okra. Alright, yes. You ever cut some vegetables, just enjoy cutting them. Yeah, the okra was one of them. Alright, guys, yes. So sure now, I don't finish fry the fish them. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna saute the vegetable them now for start. But first, I empty out the pot when I use and fry the fish. You know me, I use the fried the fish. What wrong with me and the chatty? May I use the fish oil? No, the oil I'm use, yeah, and with the when you finish fry, you have these little crumbs and everything, and little goodness. Yes, I'm gonna use it back tonight to make the gravy. Alright, guys, yes. So first, let's put in them now, put in the vegetables, and I saute them first before me start putting the water and stuff for the gravy, guys. Yes, even though it's looking like the island in the island packet gets into the rest of the iron, plus I put a little bit more iron. Yes, after I finish sauteing them, I add some water to it, guys, and then after adding the water, I'm gonna add some ketchup. Those are the seasoning that I had leave back or from seasoning the fish. I already named out all the seasoning that I use, and now I add some ketchup in it, of course. And I did put some pepper seed. I have some pepper flakes, I should say, red pepper flakes. I did put in a look on it, cook them nice and get rich and thick. You know the goodness of the okra juice. Yeah. Have a look tonight, guys. After I cook down for a little while, then I put in my fish them in it. I'll just try to put the bigger one them at the bottom. So that's what I do. You see me move other fish out of the way. Yeah, I'll just try to put the bigger one them at the bottom. Alright, guys, yes. Let me tell you that it cooked down really good and was so nice. I really did enjoy myself, not gonna lie, it was good. Okay, yes, so I'm gonna try to put up some of the vegetable them up on the top, yeah, make the fish go down at the bottom, yeah, make sure everything's stirred right nice in the pot. Yes, guys, see it there? Man, I did enjoy it. See it? My first good fish turned out just right. Yes, dinner is ready. You see it being served with my vegetable, my lettuce and cucumber, my fried plant, and my rice and peas, and of course my brown stew fish with my okra and carrot and tomato and stuff. Alright, guys, yes, so I did eat it with some beetroot and carrot and ginger juice that I didn't make it on camera. Alright, guys, yes, so it was time to eat, and man did I eat. I'm not gonna lie, I'm surely enjoy my Sunday dinner. Everyone in the house did. Alright.